B. Insurers. Insurance is available from both private companies and the government. The major difference between government and private insurance is that the government programs are funded with taxes and serve national and state social purpose, while private policies are funded by premiums. Private insurance companies can be classified in variety of ways: ownership, authority to transact business, location, marketing and distribution system, or rating. As you read about different classification of insurers, keep in mind that these categories are not mutually exclusive, and the same company can be described based on where it is located and allowed to transact the business of insurance, who owns it, and what type of agents it appoints. B1. Types of insurers. The following are most common types of ownership. Stock company. Stock companies are owned by the stockholders, who provide the capital necessary to establish and to operate the insurance company, and who share in any profits or losses. Officers are selected by the stakeholders and manage stock in insurance companies. Traditionally, stock companies issue non-participating policies in which policy owners do not share in profits or losses. A non-participating stock policy does not pay dividends to policy owner. However, taxable dividends are paid to stakeholders. Mutual company. Mutual company are owned by the policy owners and issue participating policies. With participating policies, policy owners are entitled to dividends, which in the case of mutual companies are a return of excess premiums and are therefore non-taxable. Dividends are generated when the premiums and the earnings combined exceed the actual costs of providing coverage, creating a surplus. Dividends are not guaranteed. Fraternal Benefits Society. A fraternal benefits society is an organization formed to provide insurance benefits for members and of an affiliated lodge. Religious organization or fraternal organization with a representative form of government. Fraternal cells owing to their members and are considered charitable institutions and not insurers. They are not subjected to all of the regulations that apply to insurers that offer coverage to the public at large. Private B2. Private versus company insurers. Federal and state governments provide insurance in the areas where private insurance is not available, called social insurance program. Government insurance programs include Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid, federal crop insurance, and national flood insurance. The major difference between government programs and private insurance programs is that the government programs are funded with taxes and serve national and state social purposes, while private policy are funded by premiums. B3. admitted and non-admitted insurers. Before insurers may transact business in a specific state, they must apply for and be granted a license or certificate of authority from the State Department of Insurance and meet any financial requirements set by states. Insurers who meet the state's financial requirements and are approved to transact business in the state are considered authority or admitted into the state as a legal insurer. Those insurers who have not been approved to do business in the state are considered unauthority or non-admitted. Most states have laws that prohibit authority insurers from conducting business in the state, except through licensed excess and surplus line brokers. B4. Domestic, foreign, and alien insurers. Insurance companies are classified according to the location of incorporation, domicile, regardless of where the insurance company is incorporated. It must obtain a certificate of authority before transacting insurance within the state. B5. In financial status, independent rating services. The financial strength and stabilities of an insurance company are two vitally important factors to potential insured. The financial strength of an insurance company is based on the prior climb experiences, investment earnings, level of reserves, the amount of money kept in a separated account to cover debits of policyholders, and management, to name a few. Guides to insurance companies' financial integrity are published regularly by the following various independent rating services: AM Best, Fitch, Standard & Poor's, Moody's, Wiz. B6. Marketing system. Insurance companies market their products in different ways, through agents or direct solicitation to customers. Independent agents. Independent agency system, American agency system, including one independent agent represents several companies. Non-exclusive commissions on personal sales, business renewal with any company. Exclusive agent system, captive agents. One agent represent one company. Commission exclusive commission on personal sales. Renewals can only be placed with appointment insurer. General agency system. General agent in entrepreneur represents one company. Exclusive compensation and commissions. appointments, sub-agents, managerial system, branch manager, supervises agents, salaried agents can be insurers, employees, or independent contractors. No agency, no direct response marketing system. No agents. Company advises directly to consumers through email, internet, television, other mass marketing. Consumers apply directly to the company. E7. Reinsurance. Originating, ceding reinsurance to assuming reinsurers. Reinsurance is a contract under which one insurance company indemnifies another insurance company for part or all of its liabilities. The purpose of reinsurance is to protect insurers against catastrophic losses. The originating companies that procures insurance on itself from another insurance is called the ceding insurance, because it cedes or gives the risk to reinsurers. The other insurer is called the assuming insurer or reinsurers. When the reinsurance is purchased on a specific policy, it is classified as facultative reinsurance. When an insurer has automatic reinsurance agreement between itself and the reinsurers, in which the reinsurer is bound to accept all risks ceded to it, it is classified as reinsurance treaty. Treaties are usually negotiated for a period of a year or longer.